In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove parental controls on a Google account. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Google Play Store, then go to the top right and select on your profile picture just like so. Then all we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see this option that says settings. Then go ahead and select on the option that does say family. Then it will give you the option over here where it says parental controls. So at the moment, it actually is turned on. So in order to turn it off, we need to go ahead and just press on this. Then we need to go ahead and turn off this toggle right over here. And from here, go ahead and enter in the content pin. So if you already know it, then this should be pretty easy for you. However, let's just say, for example, your parents have the code and they're not going to give it to you. What I recommend you guys do is try to come up with a story to make them actually give you the code. Maybe say something that you needed for an application for school. I recommend using software such as ChatGPT or DeepSeek in order to come up with a scenario so that your parents could actually give you this content pin. So try to use your words and try to come up with like a story for your parents to actually give you the pin. All right, but anyways, guys, I just put in my pin. I'm going to go ahead and press on OK. And just like that, I was able to turn it off. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.